morning. We're up and we're making like our first meal in our kitchen. We're making chili.
So we've been busy getting the farmhouse in order at our new homestead. The kitchen is coming along slowly but surely. It's nice to have a kitchen sink and not having to do the dishes in the bathtub anymore.
Good night.
Good morning. It's a cold one. We started a huge fire in the woods. Come check it out. I think I see Sasquatch. He's hiding in the woods. It looks like it might be coming this way. Sasquatch! Oh, that's just my husband. Carrying a log.
Need a chainsaw.
We need a chainsaw.
The whole thing. Ah, get on my short. Thinking this is gonna be like the future growing site of a bunch of apple trees. Honeycrisps for sure. Lots of Honeycrisps. I love Honeycrisps more than a lot of other apples because they're just really good. So we're gonna definitely have a bunch of Honeycrisp right here. Oh look at that, I ripped that one out by the roots.
We finally got the water hooked up to the refrigerator, the distiller. It had some mold in it.
Probably should unplug this.
So we found some mold in our flapper for our ice dispenser, so we took us about 3 hours, it seemed like, to get it out. We finally got it out.
All right, so we finally got this all cleaned out. We pumped some vinegar through the line. Our biggest issue was we were getting like a 0 reading from our distiller, but when it ran up here through the refrigerator, we were getting like a 35. So after we've done all that and cleaned it all out, we're gonna go ahead and do another testing. Mila's gonna go ahead and do the testing for us. Ooh, so that's pretty good. We got a 2. They say anything up to like I think a 5 or 4 or something is considered distilled. So 2 parts per million is super good. We can now drink water from our fridge.
Give me water!
Drink, 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 drink.
Drink it, Scout. Well, we finally had a decent enough day to kind of do some maintenance to the cars as it's getting to be like about to go into like negative temperatures. Drink up, little car. Ah. Now. So we just stopped by a local sawmill.
Yes.
Yeah, sawmill. We were looking at getting some wood to do like a backsplash for the kitchen, and I think I found some siding in our barn, and I might just use the back of that, burn it, paint it. But the guy at the sawmill gave us a pretty cool seat.
Yes. I can't wait to show you.
So I don't really know where to put this thing, but I guess we'll put it here by this fire pit, even though we don't really have fires in it.
Look at this cool thing.
Alright, I'm just gonna drop it like it's hot.
Oh boy. All right.
This is a good
Stain or something on it, so that way it'll
rocks too.
be okay in the weather.
Pretty sweet. Hey, let me show you that siding. Come here. Alright. So right here, it is. It's got the grooves in it. Alright, so we got a little scrap piece here. I'm just gonna kind of experiment. We got some watered down paint. What do you think? I honestly kind of like that. Guys, I broke my camera when I was outside. I tripped over my tripod, so now I can only see through the little tiny hole in the back. Here, put it on the floor. Let's see how close we got it to the floor.
Is that too much white though? That's funny.
Wow, that's pretty close to the floor.
Yeah.
Sit, scout. Sit, scout. Sit, scout. Sit, scout. Sit, scout. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Come on, take the thing. Go. Go.
Toothbrush.
Is it clean? So, we've made it upstairs, even though we haven't finished the downstairs, but this is going to be our bedroom. And there's just a couple things we want to do, like in the closet here. So the first thing we'll do is put some holes along the side of this crack. Oh my, I already went through a full bottle? That's pretty solid right there. Oh!
Why do you have to be so strong? Okay, stop. Stop.
Shoe check. You got my shoes? Like no one was here.
What did you do? What did you do? Okay, come on. We finally got all the plaster down and cleaned up. Yoo-hoo! Jay, tell them what happened at Menards today.
I found a $1,000 bill on the ground.
He picked it up, was carrying the vent, and the vent sliced his finger open.
I've been cut so much. You just sit back and let life happen. You know, it's like, oh, there's another cut. I know I'm due for a tetanus shot, though. The last tetanus shot I got hurt really, really bad for some reason. I'm holding the... All right, so I'm gonna have you go. I'm gonna have you go through to this side, and you got to stick this elbow through, like this, and it's gonna go right into here.
Okay.
All right, hopefully that fits. Can you shove it through any better?
There you go.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
You got to push it through some more. We have to make this hole bigger. Oh man. There it is. It comes out right here. We're gonna paint Mila's room too, but just...
We have heat.
Aha! All right. So now we gotta run it from here to there. Get in there.
So close. We should probably have gloves on.
Never seen someone cut such a straight line. Come on, George. Slide on into your home. Make me new again. We can't do it on our own. Are you able to live with yourself?
Progress. Put a couple more screws in right
Yeah,
there.
we're gonna need a ton of screws.
The finished project. We have heat.
Oh shoot. I didn't mean to do that. To go down?
Yay! Keep going.
So I got this Oatly Air admittance. It allows air to get into this so it can keep draining. Let's see here. Go ahead and turn that water on. Alright guys, we got quite a bit of water in here. Just filling it up, hot water, and we're going to pull the drain. See how long it takes to drain. You hear it going pretty quick. Here, let's go down and... I got this bucket under here just in case. Ooh, look at that. Nice.
Babe, close your eyes. I have a gift for you?
Don't open it. I mean, don't close it. I mean, don't open your eyes.
Next time on Jam's farm, Jay finally gets a chainsaw, and we set up our greenhouse and start growing.